Kia ora, ni hao. With Anzac Day and the coronavirus at the moment, it's quite easy to think about all the sad things in life at the moment. But instead, we should be thinking about Jesus' resurrection and the peace that it brings with it. Here at OTBC, we had some people who went to war and some people who chose not to go to war. Both people were trying to create a peaceful country here in New Zealand. In this time, it's important for us to focus on things that can bring peace to the world. Harry and Stephanie bring peace to each other by sharing the ball when they play. Kaylee has drawn this beautiful picture of her playing with Lego with Harry instead of telling Harry to go away. Joel has drawn this incredible picture of him reading to bring peace while his dad eats a cupcake. Maggie brings peace at her house with her guinea pigs. This is a video of her feeding her guinea pigs, and this is a video of her guinea pigs showing peace to each other, with one guinea pig opening the door for the other guinea pig. It is a tradition in New Zealand and Australia to make Anzac biscuits during this time. So I have made some Anzac biscuits to share with my bubble. I even made them gluten-free for my flatmate. There is a link below with the recipe if you'd like to make some to share with your bubble. I look forward to seeing more photos and videos of you guys and how you're bringing peace to your bubble and community around you.